Hi everyone! Today we're crocheting a mini flower bouquet, perfect for gifts or decor. Whether you're new or experienced, you can do this. Like and subscribe for more, and let's get started. For round 1, we'll start with the foundation. Create a magic ring, then work 6 single crochets into it. That's MR 6SC. Great job starting strong. Tip, pull the tail tight to close the ring neatly. Next, for round 2, we're increasing in every stitch around. Do an increase in each stitch, which means 6 increases total, giving us 12 single crochets. You're doing amazing. Tip, use a stitch marker to keep track of your rounds. For round 3, here's the pattern. Single crochet, then increase and repeat that 6 times. That's SC Ink X6, bringing us to 18 single crochets. Look at that progress, keep it up. Tip, keep your tension even for a smooth circle. Moving to round 4, we'll do single crochet, increase single crochet, and repeat 6 times. That's SC Ink SC X6 for a total of 24 single crochets. You're shaping it beautifully. Tip, count your stitches to stay on track. For round 5, it's 3 single crochets, then an increase, repeated 6 times. That's 3C Ink X6, giving us 30 single crochets. You're halfway there. Awesome work. Tip, relax your hands to avoid strain. Round 6 is next. Do 2 single crochets and increase, then 2 more single crochets, repeated 6 times. That's to a C Ink 2C X6 for 36 single crochets. It's taking shape. Great job. Tip, check your stitch count here. It's key. For round 7, work 36 single crochets, but this time in the back loops only. 36 SC and BLO. You're nailing it. Tip, the front loops will be used later, so don't worry about them now. Rounds 8 through 12 are simple, just 36 single crochets in each round. That's 36 SC for 5 rounds. You're in a rhythm now, fantastic effort. Tip, this is a great spot to relax and enjoy the process. For round 13, we start decreasing. do 2 single crochets, a decrease, then 2 more single crochets, repeated 6 times. That's 2C deck, 2CX6, down to 30 single crochets. You're shaping it perfectly. Tip, keep decreases tight. Round 14 is next. 3 single crochets, then a decrease, repeated 6 times. That's 3C deck X6 for 24 single crochets. Almost there. Amazing patience. Tip, watch your stitch placement for smooth decreases. For round 15, we're doing 12 decreases around, bringing us to 12 single crochets. That's 12 deck. Wow, you're crushing it. Tip, use your hook to pull through neatly for clean decreases. Round 16 is 6 decreases, leaving us with 6 single crochets. That's 6DC, nearly done with the base. Great focus. Tip, keep it snug as you close up. For round 17, we're adding a decorative touch. Work 3 front loops only, repeated 6 times. That's 3F, X6. This detail is so cute. You're a natural. Tip, use the front loops from round 7 here. Rounds 18 to 20 are straightforward. 18 single crochets each round. That's 18 SC for 3 rounds. You're in the home stretch. Fantastic work. Tip, keep your stitches even for a polished look. Now for the ruffle on the top edge. For round 1, work 36 single crochets in the front loops only, 36 C and FLO. This is going to look so pretty. Great job. Tip, make sure you're in the right loops. For round 2 of the ruffle, chain 2, then in the front loop only, do 3 double crochets in the same stitch, and in the back loop only, 3 double crochets in the same stitch. Repeat around. You're adding such flair, amazing. Tip, keep your chains loose for a fuller ruffle. For each petal, chain 6, turn, then do a single crochet and increase and 3 double crochets in the same stitch. That's CH6, turn, SC, ink, 3W. Repeat for 7 flowers. These petals are adorable. Great work. Tip, space your stitches evenly. For the leaf base, start with a magic ring, then work 3 single crochets and a slip stitch. That's MR, 3SC, SL, Saint. You're building something special. Keep it up. Tip, tighten the ring for a sturdy base. For round 2 of the leaf base, do this 3 times, chain 3, turn, single crochet, half double crochet, and slip stitch. That's CH3, turn, SC, HDC, SLST, X3 petals. Your bouquet is blooming. Fantastic. Tip, angle your hook for smooth petals. Let's make the ribbon tie, chain 60. That's H60. Simple and elegant. You've got this. Tip: use a contrasting color to make it pop. And there you have it, your very own mini flower bouquet. Doesn't it look amazing? You did an incredible job sticking with it. If you love this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe for more crochet fun. Share your creations with me. I'd love to see them. Happy crocheting!